welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the October Boxycharm. So this is a monthly subscription that I pay for with my own monies. It's approximately $25 a month US, and I think it's supposed to be, the contents are supposed to be valued at $100 or more, and I believe it has 5 to 7 full-sized beauty items. So let's dig in. This is my favorite box, by the way, that I get. So I'm always very excited when this comes around. So let's get into it. I love this box. If I could get into it. I only have a pen because, you know, I never come prepared. There we go. Okay, so this is what the contents look like. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see, so it's not really spoiling anything for me. It comes with a card that tells us the price of everything we received. And so the October box's theme is Spellbound. So that's perfect for October. So we will see the prices of everything at the end. So first item is this big package. So this is from Julep Beauty, and they are makeup remover towelettes. And what's in it is pore refining witch hazel. And this is cleansing, 100% biodegradable, and 60 towelettes. So that is a really nice size, because usually you get about 10 to 20. And I love a good makeup remover. So that's a nice thing to get. All right, next up from Glow Recipe. I do like this brand, and I believe that I could customize one of my items, and I think I picked this. So this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops Ultimate Glow Plus Brightening. So this is a highlighting serum, and it's actually got a sticker on it. So let me just try to open that with my pen, my handy cutting tool. So yes, I do like Glow Recipe, and look at how pretty that bottle is. Very cute. So I have got another watermelon glow. I've got a watermelon serum from Glow Recipe, and I love the smell. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So I hope this does as well. So we'll just see what the consistency looks like. Oh yes, it does smell delicious and watermelon-like. Feels like a serum. Smells delicious. So I'm excited to try that. Okay, next up from, I don't know how to pronounce it, Kinder or Kinder Beauty. Oh, Kinder Beauty, yes. Lip mask, hydrating lip mask. Okay. Pretty packaging. And then this is what the jar of product looks like. It doesn't look like there's much in there. How many ounces are we talking about here? So it is 4 grams or 0.14 ounces. Oh, and it's got a safety seal on it, so I have to try and figure that out as well. Come on. All right, let me open this. Success. Okay, so there is really not a lot of product in that. I mean, it's mostly the bottom glass packaging. It's nice packaging though. So it's more gel-like than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot more gritty. I'm just gonna, we'll try on lips. It smells really nice. Oh, it's a mask. It's not a scrub. Duh. Silly Megan. So this is a lip mask. It feels really nice. So you apply a generous even layer onto clean, dry lips and leave on. It's got a very distinct smell, and I'm just wondering what that is. Can't quite place it, but it's very pleasant. Next, we have from Tint. Never heard of this brand. It's a Lash and Brow Duo. So it's a black mascara on this side, and then a brown brow gel on this side, which is perfect because I love a black mascara and I love a brown brow product. Woo! I'm just gonna throw it on the floor. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's nice. It's got a nice weight to it, and it's really actually quite cute. So we will do the brow first. So it's got a tiny little spoolie with a brown, let me see if I can, with a darker brown tint to it. Let me see if I can do this on camera without totally messing up. Without glasses on. Oh my, that's quite dark. I literally can't see anything, so it's probably really, really terrible. Oh yeah, that's my eye. You know what? Don't do this without a mirror and... Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, let's get some of this off and just try and like bring these babies back down. I have no idea what I'm doing because I can't see. Okay, let's... Yep, I did a really good job. This is exactly the look you want, and this is the look I was going for. So perfect. Oh, you know what I can use? Haha, one of these cleansing wipes. That's why they included it. For people like me who will undoubtedly mess it up. So I accidentally grabbed two. They're a nice size, and they smell really nice. So I'm just going to take this off. You know, it's a nice trial, so it's actually really dark, which is fine for my hair because I have darker eyebrow hairs, but I don't think this would work for everybody. Like if you have blonde hair, it might be way too dark. All right, better. These wipes work very nicely as well. So give them an old college try. Oh, I'm going to take it off my hand while we're at it. Okay, so I just wasted two. And then we're still on the same item, so now we have the lash. So let's see what that spoolie looks like. Oh, that's very, oh, that's a nice. So it's a very fine spoolie, which I like because I find when it's really chunky, I get it on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm wearing mascara now. Yeah, it's not really picking it up because I'm already wearing mascara that I've had on all day. But I think I will really like this mascara because of the spoolie. Yeah, it's not really doing anything at the moment. But I like this product. I think I'm really going to get a lot of good use out of that. Okay, so last product is, I think, is in bubble wrap. I can already tell it's from Ace Beauty. Ace Beauty. So this is Falling For You, and it is, I think, an eyeshadow palette, which I enjoy very much, and I do love this brand's eyeshadow formulas. So it says the Falling For You palette represents some of our most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. That packaging is really pretty for fall. So, oh wow. Okay, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. It reminds me of, like this color, some of these shades remind me of the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Palette. Do I have that down here? No, I don't think I do. But these are colors that I will definitely wear. I love a nice pink. I love a nice purple. I love a green. And there's some really nice pops of color. I'm actually going to swatch some of these. I love to swatch shimmers because then you really know how the color is going to pay off. So I will do this cherry pie. This candy corn matte shade. This cranberry matte shade. And then this cider shimmer. So on the fingers, they look really pigmented. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Really good quality pigment on those. Like those mattes are insane. So I'm very excited to try this out. I love a good eyeshadow palette, and I do like this brand. And we still have plenty of fall left, you know, a whole month before I start decorating for Christmas. So I am very excited to try this out. And I would much rather have a brand like this than other brands that you tend to get in the Boxycharm. And it's such cute packaging. So very excited about this box. So before I get the prices, I'm going to pick my favorites. Then it's based on what I liked the most and not just like, oh wow, that's worth so much money, I'm going to pick that. So I'm going to go with the Falling For You eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauté. And then this Duo Brow and Lash from Tint. And then the makeup removing wipes, just because that will definitely not go to waste here. The Glow Recipe Serum. And then the lip mask. And I really didn't dislike anything in this box, which is perfect because you get your value and you use all the things that you get, which is lovely. So now let's get prices. So the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, $34. So that already is more than what we paid for the box. The Ace Beauté Falling For You palette, $34.99. The Tint, I put everything away and now I need it out again. The Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo, $29. The Kinder Beauty Overnight Lip Mask, $20. That's a lot of money. And the Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes, $20. And you get 60, so I think that that's a good deal. So let me total those up. Okay, so the total of my $25 box in value was $137.99, which is phenomenal, especially, like I said, I'm going to use and enjoy all of these products. So definitely, I would recommend if you wanted to get a box. I really think you can't go wrong with Boxycharm most of the time. I mean, it's only $25. So if you can treat yourself, I would. It's $25 a month, and you get a lot of good stuff in it, I would say. You always get usually a nice palette, some really good skincare, and some really good makeup items, which I use all of those things. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. All right, so that was October's Boxycharm base box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that if you get this box, you enjoy it as much as I do. If you got a different variation, please let me know. I know it says somewhere what variation this box is. Oh, maybe on here. So I got, I think this number at the very bottom, if it would focus, is my number with the B, the dash BA, I think. But yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you liked it. Like I said, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can hit here to subscribe to my channel. You can click like down below, and there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.